Hello from Gålö, Havsbad. This beautiful sandy beach in Haninge. You see, the water here is extremely shallow, and we're gonna be walking quite a long time till we reach a distance where we can dive in without being too much onto the sand. And you see, this is super sandy and beautiful beach. It is first time that I'm here on this beach this year, but I have obviously been several times before. And yeah, it's a beautiful Sunday here in Stockholm, and probably one of the last hot Sundays that we're gonna have this year, unfortunately. 10th of September, 2 p.m. right now, and I'm really enjoying this day. And you saw the bike at the beginning of this clip. It took me 38 kilometers to reach this spot from my home. 1 hour and 20 minutes approximately. And yes, this is beach number 121. Sorry, 132. What am I talking? Yes, 132. That's right. So meaning that we have only 68 days left until we reach 200. Let's see if we're gonna make that. But you see, the beach is quite nice, and there is even a camping nearby, and there is even one dog-friendly beach on the other side, and of course rocks that I wanted first to go on them, but then I thought to show you also here the sandy beach. I remember I was here last year for the midsummer holiday, and it was so crowded. It was super crowded. All right, you see I'm 100 meters away from the shore. It's still shallow, but I'm gonna throw my thermometer already to see the temperature. And because it is shallow, it might be a bit warmer over here. And yes, I really took advantage of this hot weekend that we have in Stockholm to use for a cycling adventure, because soon autumn is coming, and autumn is very short, meaning that winter is right around the corner with cross-country skiing and ice skating. But I really hope that the weather is gonna be the same like last year. Last year my last swim was on 12th November, so that's like 2 months away, which gonna make me fulfill my goal. But even if I came only to 180 beach days this year, that's fine. That's like half a year, so I'm gonna be satisfied with that as well. Anyway, this, as I mentioned, is in Haninge Municipality, and it's beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. People are doing some grill on the beach, enjoying. Not so many people in the water, to be fair, and we're gonna see if that is because of the temperature. But for me, it's still a bit warm. Okay, 17 degrees Celsius. I don't know why I said warm. 17 degrees Celsius. But anyway, I now am already at the distance where I can dive in. So let's go! Beach day 132. Let's go! Amazing. Super salty. And yes, this is the Baltic Sea, of course. And this is also where the archipelago here starts in Stockholm. So yeah, that's a wrap from Galö, Havsbad, one of the best beaches in Stockholm region. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon again with more beach adventures on my channel. Beach Adventures with Kris!